Pick it up with this one. No, the other one. There you go. Now remember, this one goes. There you go. That one turns it. Now pull the one back. There you go. No, lift it up, push it out. No, other one. There you go. Is that cool? 7 years old. Gotta pick it up. Summer long, and it doesn't rain, and we don't have any moisture, and I don't start building the house, and then I start building the house, and then the weather turns to this, and we get moisture. Trying to move some dirt, but it's like moving mud, and anybody that moves mud knows what that's like. We got cement coming on Tuesday. It's Sunday right now for the basement and the garage. But we gotta get these. We're gonna pour this patio next. I need to get some dirt right here and slope it, but I am gonna get stuck. So I think tomorrow in the morning when it's 20 degrees and this all freezes, I'll probably come over here and try to get some of this dirt spread out and moved, because I can break it loose over there out of the pile and walk on this with it being muddy, well, frozen solid, and we'll be good. So instead of making a massive mess, I decided to quit before I made a bigger mess. But house is coming along pretty well. Can't backfill this wall yet. Gotta let that cement cure a little more, but it's starting to come together. Oh man. Wish we could have got started sooner, but oh well, the name of the game, waiting for the county and the bank loan and everything else to go through. We started as soon as we can, could. But wow, what a mess. Mud mess. It ain't too bad. I'm excited to have the house done though. There's some bees way back yonder.